In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add shadow in Canva. Shadows are a simple way to add depth, make objects feel grounded, and draw attention to the subject of your design. I'll walk you through the exact controls so you can get a clean, professional look without guessing. Start by opening a template in Canva that fits your project. This could be a social post, presentation slide, or custom size. Once your canvas is open, upload the image you want to style. You can drag and drop it from your computer or use the Uploads panel. Place the image on your page and scale or position it where you want it to sit. It's easier to judge the shadow once the subject is roughly in its final spot. With the image selected, click Edit to open the editing controls. Look for the Shadows option. If you don't see it right away, check under Effects in the sidebar, then scroll until you find Shadows. Open that panel and choose the Drop style. Drop Shadow is a classic realistic option that works well for most photos, product shots, and cutouts. Now fine-tune the look. Increase the intensity to make the shadow darker and more visible. A little goes a long way. Subtle shadows usually feel more natural and less distracting. Set the angle to match your scene's light direction. For example, if your layout has light coming from the top left, angle the shadow down to the right so everything feels consistent. Adjust the distance to control how far the shadow sits from the subject. Smaller distances keep the object grounded, while a larger offset creates the illusion that it's floating above the background. Then refine the blur. More blur creates a softer, more diffuse shadow, which is great for natural light. Less blur gives a crisper edge for a studio-style look. Balance these controls together until the shadow complements the image rather than competing with it. Next, click on Highlight within the shadow settings. This adds a subtle bright edge that can enhance contrast and shape. Click on Highlight again to toggle and compare the before and after as you evaluate your intensity and blur. Click on Highlight once more if you want to recheck your adjustments against a cleaner edge. Finally, click on Highlight again to settle on the version that best fits your design's mood and lighting. That's it. You've opened a template, uploaded your image, applied a drop shadow, adjusted intensity, angle, distance, and blur, and used Highlight to refine the finish. Experiment lightly and keep your lighting consistent across elements for a polished, realistic result.